Chapter 7. Conditions in Python. Basics of Python. Before starting the chapters, what we have previously learned. Python is an object-oriented, interpreted, high-level programming language. It makes the development and debugging fast. There is no compilation step included in Python development and edit. Test debug cycle is very fast. Features of Python. It is easy to learn and understand. The syntax of Python is simple. It has large libraries and supporting tools to make tasks easy. When an object is created in Python, memory is dynamically allocated to it. Input and output. The print function is used to show the output based on the input and program. The input function is used to take input value for a variable from the user. Data types. Data type is a value or set of values that a variable can hold. In Python, each variable is associated with a data type, and a data type requires various amount of memory and has some particular operations performed on it. Mainly data types categorized into two types: built-in data types and user-defined data types. The built-in data types are those data types which are provided by Python programming language. The user-defined types are those data types which can be created by the programmer as per need. Keywords. In Python, keywords are the reserved words that have predefined meaning. They are used for specific purpose. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers or variable names. Punctuators. Punctuators are used to separate the different parts of the program as per the need. For example, square brackets, periods, hash at the rate, parentheses, commas, colons, semicolons, and curly braces. Operators. In Python, operators are special symbols or characters. They perform particular operations on one or more operands and produce a result. Arithmetic, logical, and relational are some common types of operators. Write a simple program in Python. Now learn about the conditional statements in Python in detail. Conditional statements. In Python, conditional statements are essential constructs that allow you to control the flow of your program based on some conditions. In other words, these are the fundamental part of program that allows you to control the flow of our programs based on certain conditions. Python provides several types of conditional statements, such as if else, and if-else. In this chapter, you will learn about these statements and understand how to use them effectively. The if statement. The if statement is a basic conditional statement that allows you to execute a block of code only if a specified condition is true. The general syntax of the if statement is if condition. Statements S. Start. If statement. Condition. True. Body of if. End. False. Output. In the above example, the code inside the if block will only be executed if the condition age is equal to 18 is true. The if-else statement. The if-else statement allows us to execute one block of code if a condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. The general syntax is if condition, statements S, else, statements S, start, if statement, condition, true, body of if, end, body of else, false. The if-else statement. The if-else statement allows us to handle multiple conditions sequentially. It checks each condition in order and executes the corresponding block of code for the first true condition. The general syntax is if condition 1, statements S, hashtag body of if, elif condition 2, statements S, hashtag body of elif, elif condition 3, statements S, hashtag body of elif, else, statements S, hashtag body of else, start, if statement, condition, true, body of if, false, condition of elif, true, body of elif, false, body of else, end. In this example, the program will print the corresponding grade based on the value of the score. Nested if statements. Nested if statements occur when an if statement is placed inside another if or else block. This allows for more complex conditions and logic. The general syntax is if condition 1, hashtag code to be executed if condition 1 is true. If condition 2, hashtag code to be executed if both condition 1 and condition 2 are true. Else, hashtag code to be executed if condition 1 is true but condition 2 is false. Else, hashtag code to be executed if condition 1 is false. Start. If statement, condition, true, nested condition, false, true, false, body of else, body of nested if, body of nested else, statements below if, end. In this example, we first check if the age is above 18. If it is, we check whether the person has a driver's license or not. If we will change the value, then output will also change accordingly. Practice with Python. Program 1, using if statement. Program 2, using if-else statement. Program 3, using if-else statement. Program 4, using nested if statement. In summary, Python is an object-oriented, interpreted, high-level programming language. The print function is used to show the output which the input function is used to take input value for a variable from the user. Data type is a value or set of values that a variable can hold. Keywords are the reserved words that have predefined meaning. Punctuators are used to separate the different parts of the program as per the need. Operators are special symbols or characters. The if statement allows you to execute a block of code only if a specified condition is true. The if-else statement allows us to execute one block of code if a condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. The if-else statement allows us to handle multiple conditions sequentially. Nested if statements means an if statement is placed inside another if or else block.